Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long term or the monthly chart of Quantum Corp or the Quantum Corporation. Now understand this thing, maybe the chart looks a bit distorted in the middle, but the overall chart and the trend is way clear than one can think, and this is the stock, or this is one of the stocks which we are getting at a dirt cheap discount. We have seen this thing happening again and again in the past. Stock market is giving you the opportunity to do that, and if you don't consider or if you don't look into the stocks right now, there is no way you can make money. So let us analyze this chart, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now the things are very simple over here. You need to just wait for your levels. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So right now the stock is anyways tested some of the levels that you are going to look at. So you have 1.96 and the stock has indeed breaks down or trading below 1.96. So the next support will be 1.38. and your final support or stop loss is going to be 0.88. Now this range is your buying zone. This entire range in between 0.88 and 1.96 is your buying zone. So consider this as your buying zone, and if the stock falls below 0.88, we are not at all interested. That's for sure. We are not going below 0.88, and if the stock continues to sustain in between 0.88 and 1.96, then this is going to be your buy zone. Remember one thing which is very clear in front of you. There are two instances where the stock has tested the lowest end of the range, one in 1987 and then in 2008. And from both the instances, the stock has moved quite substantially and it has given you a return of 3,500%. Probably this is the third time which is happening. Although it has happened in 2020, but it was just touch and go. But this time we can see that levels are tested very seriously. So if this time also the stock is trading and testing the lowest end of the range, we will definitely see some moves which are very clear and they are for the better. So this range, as I told you, is going to be your buying zone, but don't go below 0.88. And once the momentum start, there are certain levels from the long term to the short term, or rather I would say from short term to long term will be as follows. The first target beyond 1.96, once the stock started trading above 1.96, then the immediate target is going to be $4. After that, we have 8.9 and 11.6. These are going to be your next two targets, but this is not going to be an end, because the big target that we are looking here will be $18, and moving towards the upper end of the range. We do have the biggest target that we are going to look at in the upcoming months and years, and it will be in between $29 and $35. So these are the levels that we are going to look at as far as the big trend or the range is concerned. So let us see how you consider this stock. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts as far as this big range or the trend is concerned. You know, the mediocre psychology is when my neighbor makes money, that's where I'm going to put my interest into the stock market. But this is not the way to do it. You need to spend time, you need to spend your energy and resources, and you need to put your brain into the work for hours and hours to understand what actually is going on. Forget about the technicalities and whether the stock is undervalued or overvalued. You need to understand at least the movement of the overall market. And if you have a fair bit of sense about what is rational and what is irrational, you are here to make some serious money. It does not matter whether you are in US, Europe, India, Australia, in any part of the world, you are going to make money. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.